Hello friends, today I am going to teach you cutting and stitching of front slit kurti. The measurement is like this: length 43 inch, shoulder to shoulder width 11 inch, shoulder length 6.75 inch, chest 36 inch, waist length 14 inch, waist 28 inch, hip length 23.5 inch, hips 38 inch, bottom width 19 inch. Front neck length 6.5 inch, back neck length 5 inch, neck width 6 inch, length of sleeves 21 inch, half arm round 3.5 inch. After neck length, length of button strip is 11.5 inch. We need near about 2.75 meter of fabric to make a kurti of this measurement because its length is more and sleeves are of full length. First mark length plus 3 inch and cut it for front part drafting and cutting. We make front part from open side, that is 43 plus 3 makes it 46 inch. After cutting, mark 0.5 inch straight line on the open side of the fabric for swing seam and folding, and now mark all the lengths and take widths from this 0.5 inch straight line mark. So mark shoulder length 6.75 inch, waist length 14 plus half inch, that makes it 14.5 inch, hip length 23.5 inch plus half inch, that makes it 24 inch. Now at the top, mark half of shoulder to shoulder width plus half inch, that is 11 divided by 2 plus half inch makes it 6 inch. At shoulder length mark 6 and 5.5 inch widthwise and join it to the upper 6 inch mark. From the same line, take 1/4 of chest plus 2 inch, that is 36 divided by 4 makes it 9, and add 2 inch makes it 11 inch. Mark at 11 and 9 inch. At waist length, take 1/4 of waist plus 2 inch widthwise, that is 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7 plus 2 inch makes it 9 inch, and join it to the chest mark as in parallel manner. Now come to the hip length, take 1/4 of hip plus 1.5 inch widthwise, that is 38 divided by 4 is equal to 9.5 plus 1.5 makes it 11 inch. Mark at 9.5 and 11 inch and join hip length marks to waist mark in a curve manner. At last, take half of bottom width plus 1.5 inch, that is 19 divided by 2 plus 1.5 makes it 11 inch, and join it to the outer hip mark in a straight manner. Now at top, mark half of neck width, that is 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 inch, and mark a half inch slant line till shoulder length line. And after that, do front and back sleeve curving. Cutting is done like this. This is our front piece cutting, and now place front piece on remaining folded fabric for back piece cutting, excluding half-inch straight line mark. Cut it alongside the front piece for back piece cutting. Separate back piece now and do front sleeve cutting. This is our front and back piece cutting of front slit kurti. The remaining fabric we get after front and back piece cutting, we do drafting and cutting of our sleeves. Mark length of sleeve plus 2 inch, that is 21 plus 2 makes it 23 inch. Mark a straight line widthwise. It must be equal to the shoulder length plus 1.5 inch minimum, that is 6.75 plus 1.5 inch makes it near about 8.5 inch. After that, cross mark 3 inch on open opposite side lengthwise, range is 2.5 to 4 inch, and do curving like this. And mark 1.5 inch on curve and do front sleeve curving also. Join 3 inch mark to half of armhole plus 1 inch on the other end in a slant manner. That is 3.5 plus 1 makes it 4.5 inch. Cutting is done like this. After that, open fabric in 2 layers and cut front leaf like sleeve curve also. In stitching, we sew strip with neck at the middle of the front piece. For this, first on remaining cloth mark half inch margin, and from this mark take a bit less of half of neck width. Half neck width is 3 inch, so take 2.75 inch widthwise, and neck length is 6.5 inch. Make a box and do front neck curving. Now from top, mark kurti length, that is 46 inch, and make a 2 inch strip from neck length till total length of kurti and cut it. Fabric is kept in double fold for both front and back neck. And for neck strip, mark 1.75 inch alongside the neck curve in a parallel manner with it. And now first cut inner curve and then outer curve till total length. Now in stitching, first mark half inch and then mark a bit less than half of neck width, that is 2.75 inch, and place a strip on it and pin up it. Neck length is 6.5 inch, take ½ inch extra, that is a 7 inch, and pin up it. Do the same on the other front piece. On one side we insert loop and on other side we sew a strip to hold loops to hide it. After pin up, sew ½ inch on outer side of inner curve and insert loop at 1 inch gap mark. Close side of the loop goes inside. Sew the full length strip or tape till the bottom of the front slit kurti. Loops are inserted on the right front piece of the kurti and stitching is done like this. Like this we insert all the loops. After this, cut the inner neck portion and mark small cuts and then fold it to the wrong side. After finishing the right front piece, now do hemming or interlock stitching on the wrong side by folding it. Now come to the left front piece. In this, we follow the same procedure and sew it. While coming to the end of the neck, insert strip ½ inch below. Strip must be in between the two fabrics and sew till bottom of front slit kurti like this. After that, do finishing stitching on right side of the left portion. I already taught you back neck and joining of shoulder. Its link is in description. After that, I'll proceed further. After that, darken your fitting line and transfer to the other side also and sew it till hip length. After that, join sleeves. Its link is also in the description, and fold from bottom up to required length and fold slits also. After doing this, insert button, and after completing this, I will upload an image of it. If you like my video, then hit like button, and if you are new here, then subscribe for more such videos. In the next video, I will teach you a new cutting or stitching in a simple way. Thank you.